Mom here so much, I just can't tell you. But really, I mainly am calling today, or making this little picture for little Ellie Belly. And I wanted to talk to little Ellie Belly and say to her that I'm sorry that I haven't met you in person, but little Ellie, this is your Aunt Big Nan. And I haven't met you in person, but Ellie, I love you. I love you so much. When little Nan shows me your picture, I just about have a little fit over you, and especially love it when you move your little right paw out real fast to the side, and you are just so cute. And
Hello, little Jelly Belly. Hello there. This is a friend of yours.
Oh, that's right. That's Big Ed.
Little Jelly Belly. I want to see your tail wag.
She doesn't have a tail.
She doesn't have a tail. What's the matter with you? We love you.
Everybody say Ellie Belly.
Ellie Belly doesn't have a tail, but we love you anyway. Because we know you have a good heart. And so I'm going to say goodbye now, but I wanted to tell you, I hope to meet you sometime in person, because I want to give you a big, big kiss on those big, big lips of yours.